If you're using WooCommerce and you want to enable subscriptions on WooCommerce website for your business or for your e-commerce store, this video is for you. In this video, I will teach you step by step how you can enable subscriptions in your website. So don't skip any part of this video. Like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started this video. Online store or you are selling digital product, the process is very same for all type of e-commerce website where you want to enable the subscription. So this is the website for selling online courses, and we will enable subscription on this website. So I will live show you how you can also do it in any type of e-commerce website. Let me bring you on the desktop here in my WordPress backend. So in the plugin section, we are going to install one free plugin. Let me bring you on the plugin option here in the WordPress and click on add plugin. So here in the plugin, we will search one free plugin. So if you're new on my channel, please hit subscribe, like, and share my videos so I bring more WooCommerce related tutorial or website designing. So in the plugin, when you search subscription, and you will find multiple plugins for related to subscription, and I mostly use this plugin subscription for WooCommerce. Let's click on install this plugin, and we will activate this plugin right away. Click on activate, and we will follow some steps in order to enable these features. Okay, now let's go to the WooCommerce. When you hover your mouse to the on WooCommerce, you will see new option WPS subscriptions. Let's click on it. And here we have option some basic steps we need to complete in order to enable subscriptions on our website. So first option, check this box to enable subscription for Woo. So add to cart button label. If you don't want add to cart button label, you want to change the button label, or for example place order or purchase subscription, you can change these button labels now, and you have to click then next. You can create the subscription product here for first time, and later on you also able to create the subscription product, unlimited product in the backend. I will also show you that one. Right now we can create any demo product for a demo subscription. So SEO subscription, it can be anything in your case. Put the product short description, long description, SEO subscriptions, product description, and you have to enter the subscription price, how much you charge, subscription interval. Okay, and then you have to select here subscription frequently. It's for the months or for week or days. You have to select here and click next. Now in this step we have to select and the supported payment gateway for subscription. You can enable different payment gateway, that's okay, as long as you have a payment gateway in the backend. In the WooCommerce setting, you have to set payments, and you can enable. And let's go to next, and you are set all take advantage and set back and click finish. Now we finish these steps, and it will bring us to this page. So you can skip this one, okay. And general setting we have here, where you can enable disable the subscription in future if you want. Label text to change. Allow customer to cancel the subscription. This will allow customers to cancel the subscription anytime if you want to enable this one. Subscription shortcode. This is the subscription dashboard. You will able to allow the subscription dashboard with the shortcode, and I will show you how to place this code. And save settings. Next, subscription table, where you will able to check the subscription ID, parent order ID status, product name, payment method, next payment date, and subscription date, expiry date, everything. And then you have some other options like API settings. If you want, you can enable API key features, subscription box. In the subscription box, you can also enable subscription box. And then now let me show you how to first enable the dashboard. So let me copy this shortcode here, and I will go to pages, add page, and I will name it subscription dashboard. And in the add block, if you're using Elementor, then you have to select add the Elementor shortcode. You can also select here shortcode and enter the shortcode we just copy from the backend. Okay, and publish. Now we have dashboard page. Let me check dashboard page. Okay, you don't have any active subscription, so when they have subscription, they will able to see this dashboard. Okay, so let me go back now quickly to show you how you can add subscription product other. Let's go to products, add new product. So let me make it SEO subscription, SEO subscription. Provide the product description here, and you have to skip select here simple product, and you have to check this option subscription. When you check this option, you will see new option here, subscription settings, where you will able to choose subscription interval, days, week, month, expiry, initial sign up if you if they required to have any initial setup fee, you can enter here, and free trial if you want to give 7 days trial, like you have to put 7 and days. Okay, you have to do these settings, but for the price, you can put the price in the general option, regular price like 22, and inventory no need to fill up. Make sure you just select here simple product and subscription. That's all. Let me publish, and I will able to check my subscription product now. Here it is. So, and it's also displaying here. Sorry for my dashboard because it's a black theme here, so that's why it's not visible. So this is the title here, SEO subscription, and you can see here 22 per day. You can set to month in the backend, and 7-day free trial. So this will be the added to subscription when you add to cart, and they will able to check the subscription and pay for the subscription. SEO course, let me cancel here, SEO course. So let me put 1. Okay, and they will able to proceed to checkout right away. Okay, so this process you can use to enable subscription on your e-commerce website. If you have any question, just let me know in the comments. I will definitely reply you there. For other if you want to do other settings for the subscription, you can go to WooCommerce, and for the payment you have to go to setting and go to payments and set your preferred payment first here, so they will able to pay on the for the payments. If I go to WPS subscription, click on subscription, there is no order, but for the subscription order you have to go to always WPS for WooCommerce and subscription table, where you will able to see or check all the subscription. You also able to see other setting like advanced setting. You can follow to check free settings if you, but you can also upgrade to extend the functionality of this plugin if you want. So let me explain you about the payment method with this plugin. You have option when you go to WooCommerce settings and go to payment, and you will see here WPS payment method, and it support recurring payment. So that means it will charge automatically based on the subscription. And you also can use Stripe. You have to go to plugins and you will able to get the Stripe for automate the payment option. For more information on payment, you can visit to their website. So if you click here, if you click here WPS recurring payment, you can click on manage, or you can go to here WP swing, click on home, and there you will able to get more information about it. If you go to subscription for WooCommerce option, and you will able to go to documentation and go to here payment option, it will explain you about the payment. Downside, when you go to here compatible payment gateway, it will suggest you some of the payment gateway you can use for your subscriptions. If you have any question, just let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.